Hey guys, what's up to the baseball channel? Today we're going to be opening a 2025 Baseball Topps Chrome Series. That's my mom in there. My mom in there. Just come out. Can't get it. Tanner Scott's a good one. Ooh, Kristen Moore. Jackson Holiday. Is that numbered? Grand slam for first home run. 731. Look at that. What a card. Mookie Betts. It's a nice card right there, dude. See what we can use back. This pack will be better. Ooh, Paul Blackburn. What is this? Tyler Phillip. That's a good one. Wait, first we gotta check. Ooh, I see a good card right there. Secret card, you guys think that can be? Brandon Faddat. Rob Reiser. Francisco Alvarez. Don't know what that is. Oh, flying high. Ooh, Corbin Carroll's in there. Xander Bourgault's one of my favorite players. Are you guys ready? Stan Musical got him in the MLB The Show. Are you ready? Tell me you guys think this could be. Chicago Cubs pitcher Shota Imanaga. That's a good one. Danny Jason. Ooh, this is a good one. Shohei Ohtani with Arizona. Ooh, which pack do you guys think is good? We got a bunch of packs here. Which one do you think is better, right or left? Comment in the comments. I'm gonna go right. Tell me which one you guys think would be better. Sorry, I've been so quiet. My sister's sleeping. First, we gotta check. If there's a good one. Ooh, what do you think? What do you guys think? Ooh, another Rising Star. Let's go to that. Back one is all smiles. That perfect weather. Then got Chris Bassett. We have Aaron Judge, Jose Ramirez, and Rooker. Tyler Stevenson. Ooh, that's a good one. I went to Reds camp. Zach Wheeler. Good one right there. Letty. Who's this? American lineup, Houston Astros. Comment down below if you think the Astros cheated. Comment down below if you think the Astros cheated and tell me why. Chris Sale. Andrew. Comment down below if you think they choked. Well, gotta flip it. Orioles. Gunnar Henderson. Look at that card right there. The next one, flip. Aaron Judge and Gunnar in the same pack. It's a great one right there. Let's go left now, guys. I'm going to the left side. Don't really see the back. You know, guys, I think I know who this card is. Should we go straight to it? I'll go straight to it. You ready? Ooh, it's an M. I don't know who that is. I can't go to it yet. Tell me who you think that is. Lars. That's a great card right there. Shay. And I don't like him. Okay. It's not good. Mitch Garver. Catcher, right? Tell me if this guy is the guy who hit the cycle for the Astros. And tell me if he played for the Astros. Cameron. Who's this? JJ. Don't know him. Otto Lopez. Starling Machine. That could be that one. Oh, Rising Stars Ellie. I'm going to keep that right there. I'm going to say no. Tell me who you guys think that could be. First, we got a Rafael Devers. Matt Champion on the San Francisco Giants. What a card right there, guys. Good card. I'm really hoping we get a good card. I haven't gotten any number. I'm really hoping we get a numbered card here for you guys, so I can go off and hit. Ooh, Anthony Volpe. Tell me if they choked. I need to know. P. Crow Armstrong. Dubin Drench. That's a good one. Come on, give me a number card. Spencer Steer. Cedric Mullins. Royce Lewis. Vladdy. Let's Dance for the... Who's that? I don't know who that one is. I think I know who that one is. Gunnar Henderson, another one of those. We're getting a bunch of Gunnars. Tell me who you guys think that is. Joe Ryan. We're gonna flip it. What you guys seen? Guardians. Do you guys think it's Jose? Angelo Martinez. Is that Vladdy? We got some Vladdy. I'm gonna do a part 2 after this. I'm gonna go to like 9 minutes maybe. This is the last pack, and I'm doing a part 2. Bryson Scott, Ben Rice, Andrew Gimmons, Ha-Seong Kim, Patrick Bailey, River Ryan, Josh Hader, Julio Rodriguez, Will Warren, Mike Tuchin, Jazz. Let's see who this is. Jordan. Psycho Jordan. That's a good one. And that does it. Like and subscribe for part 2. We still got a bunch more packs to go. Look at all these.